In today's fast-paced and noisy world, finding inner peace can feel elusive. We're constantly bombarded with information, deadlines, and demands on our time and attention. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, stressed, and disconnected from ourselves and the world around us. But what if I told you there's a way to find calm amidst the chaos? What if you could tap into a deep well of peace within yourself, no matter what challenges life throws your way? The truth is, inner peace isn't something you find outside yourself. It's something you cultivate from within. It's about learning to be fully present in each moment, to quiet the noise of the mind, and to reconnect with your heart. And that's what we're going to explore in this video. In today's fast-paced and noisy world, finding inner peace can feel elusive. However, mindfulness, being fully present in the moment, offers a way to reclaim calm, balance, and clarity. Through consistent, simple practices, you can transform the way you experience life and reconnect with yourself. Our breath is such a fundamental part of life, yet we often take it for granted. We go about our days barely noticing this incredible gift that sustains us. But your breath is more than just a biological function. It's a powerful tool for grounding yourself in the present moment and finding a sense of peace. When you feel stressed or overwhelmed, notice what happens to your breath. It becomes shallow and rapid, reflecting the turmoil in your mind. But you can shift this pattern by bringing conscious awareness to your breath. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes if you'd like, and take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly expand. Hold the breath for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you're holding. As you continue to breathe deeply and consciously, you'll notice your mind beginning to quiet down. Thoughts may still arise, but instead of getting carried away by them, you can simply observe them without judgment and return your focus to your breath. Think of your breath as an anchor, grounding you in the present moment. Whenever you feel yourself getting caught up in the past or worrying about the future, gently guide your attention back to your breath. It's always there for you, a constant reminder to come back to this moment, to this breath, to yourself. We live in a world that often encourages us to focus on what we lack, what we don't have, what we haven't achieved, what's missing from our lives. But gratitude invites us to shift our perspective, to appreciate the abundance that already surrounds us. Gratitude isn't about ignoring the challenges in our lives. It's about choosing to focus on the good, the beautiful, the things that bring us joy and make life worth living. A gratitude journal is a simple yet powerful tool for cultivating this sense of appreciation. Take a few moments each day to write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be big or small, from the roof over your head to a delicious cup of coffee in the morning. As you write, really allow yourself to feel the gratitude in your heart. What you'll find is that the more you focus on gratitude, the more you'll start to notice things to be grateful for throughout your day. It's like putting on a pair of gratitude glasses that highlight all the good in your life. Let's face it, our devices have become extensions of ourselves. We're constantly plugged in, scrolling, liking, commenting, and consuming an endless stream of information. While technology has its benefits, it's easy to get caught in a cycle of digital distraction, where we're constantly bombarded with notifications, news updates, and the pressure to stay connected. But what if we could create space in our lives for something different? What if we could reclaim our time and energy and use it to connect with ourselves and the world around us in more meaningful ways? That's where digital detox moments come in. This isn't about giving up technology altogether. It's about making conscious choices about how and when we use it. Start by setting aside small pockets of time each day where you disconnect from your devices. Maybe it's the first hour after you wake up or the last hour before you go to bed. Use this time to engage in activities that nourish your soul. Read a book, spend time in nature, have a conversation with a loved one, or simply be present with yourself. You might be surprised by how much more peace and clarity you experience when you create these digital-free zones in your life. Walking is something we often do on autopilot, our minds racing ahead to our destination or lost in thought. But what if we could transform this everyday activity into a meditative experience? Mindful walking is about bringing your full attention to the act of walking. to the sensation of your feet connecting with the ground, the rhythm of your breath, the sights, sounds, and smells around you. Find a place where you can walk comfortably, whether it's a park, your neighborhood, or even just around your home. As you begin walking, pay attention to the physical sensations of each step. Feel the ground beneath your feet, the movement of your legs, the gentle swing of your arms. Notice the air against your skin, the sun on your face, the sounds of nature or the city around you. As you walk, thoughts will inevitably arise. That's perfectly normal. Acknowledge them without judgment and gently guide your attention back to the sensations of walking. Mindful walking is a beautiful way to cultivate presence, to appreciate the simple act of moving your body, and to connect with the world around you in a deeper way. At the end of a long day, our minds are often still buzzing with thoughts and worries. Evening reflection helps release the day's stresses and create peace before bed. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and take deep breaths. Reflect on your day, acknowledge challenges, and offer yourself compassion. Shift focus to the positive aspects and savor these moments. Set an intention for the following day, bringing positive energy. This practice allows you to let go of stress and cultivate gratitude. In our fast-paced world, meals have become another thing to check off our to-do lists. We eat on the go while working or scrolling through our phones, barely paying attention to the food in front of us. But what if we could transform our relationship with food from one of mindless consumption to one of presence, gratitude, and nourishment? Mindful eating is about bringing your full attention to the experience of eating, to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food, to the sensations in your body as you eat, and to the feelings of gratitude for the nourishment that sustains you. The next time you sit down for a meal, put away your phone, turn off the TV, and create a calm and inviting space to eat. Take a moment to appreciate the food in front of you. Where did it come from? Who prepared it? As you take your first bite, close your eyes and savor the flavors and textures. Chew slowly and mindfully, paying attention to the sensations in your mouth. Notice how the food makes you feel. Energized, satisfied, content. Mindful eating is not about deprivation or following strict rules. It's about cultivating a deeper appreciation for the food we eat and the nourishment it provides for our bodies and minds. Our bodies are incredible instruments that carry us through life, but we often hold on to stress and tension in our bodies without even realizing it. Body scan meditation is a powerful practice for cultivating body awareness, releasing tension, and grounding ourselves in the present moment. Find a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting upright. Close your eyes if you'd like, and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to relax. Starting with your toes, bring your attention to each part of your body one by one. Notice any sensations you feel: warmth, coolness, tingling, pressure, tightness, or relaxation. You don't need to change or judge any of the sensations you feel. Simply observe them with curiosity and non-judgment. As you move through your body, imagine your breath flowing to each part, releasing any tension you're holding. Spend a few moments with each part of your body, moving from your toes to your feet, your calves, your knees, your thighs, your hips, your stomach, your chest, your back, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your neck, your head, and finally, your entire body as a whole. Body scan meditation is a beautiful way to reconnect with your body, to release physical and emotional tension, and to cultivate a sense of presence and grounding. Enjoy the steps you take to reach inner peace. Inner peace is a process made up of small, intentional steps. These 7 practices offer practical ways to bring mindfulness into your daily life, helping you navigate challenges with calm and clarity. Start with one practice and gradually incorporate more as they become part of your routine. Each step you take toward mindfulness is a step toward a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Which of these practices resonates with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below.